Good morning, guys.
Guten Morgen.
It's Saturday morning, 20th July, and plan today is to go to France.
Colmar.
There's a place in France, Colmar, and we plan to visit that. It's 1 hour from our place by train. 1 hour, 20 minutes kind of by train. So
from SBB we have to. SBB is from the main station of Basel. There's a direct train to Colmar. It takes 50 minutes. Exactly 50 minutes. We'll be catching that train from SBB Basel. That's the main station. We always catch train for Interlaken or Lausanne or wherever we go. We have to take the train from SBB Basel.
And we are off to Colmar. It's 9:45. We have left. It's thoda cut to cut because the train from Basel SBB is at 10:21. And if we miss that train, next train is at 11:21. So let's see if we get that train. If not, we'll have to figure out something to pass time for 1 hour. We have taken Uno cards. We might start playing that.
It's in my bag.
It's in Aisha's bag. Yeah.
My sister put it there.
Yeah. And unfortunately, we missed the train, which was at 10:21. We reached at just 10:21, 10 seconds over 10:21. So now there's another train at 10:39. But we are not sure if we can catch that, so we are just figuring it out here. If not, the next train is at 11:21. So let's see what we do. We are waiting for some ticket checker or the driver for this train to arrive. This train is at 10:39. So let's see. So we got a confirmation that we can catch this train. So we are going to catch this train. The first time we are catching a train to from Basel to France. So let's experience the France travel. Bye bye. Coming. Let's go. And we got down at Mulhouse, and now we have to go to Colmar. So we'll be catching a connecting train, which is at 11:24. So we are waiting for train to arrive. Now we are officially in France. And we finally reached Colmar. And now we are figuring out from where to catch the bus. We just bought some chips and juices. And I am not sure why Zoe is angry. Aisha is sleepy. So let's see how this day goes. But I must say that coming into France feels just like India, because it's not as clean and neat, tidy like Switzerland. Trains also felt okay-ish. I'll give the review at the end of the vlog. Maybe we have to get into this bus. So let's see. And we are taking tickets here and doing some punching. I don't know what this process is.
This is a process of
side.
No, I should do it. Very good.
આ તો મુંબઈની ઓલી પંચિંગ મશીન વાળી ટિકિટ થઈ ગઈ. કમ લેટ્સ ગો આઈશુ. કમ.
Thank you.
થેન્ક યુ. And we just withdrew cash because apparently we came without any cash, and here they only take cash here, euros. Yeah, so we withdrew some euros. Kids are munching, and now we are walking towards toy train. Let's go. So we wanted to sit in toy train, but unfortunately we are not able to find from where the boarding for toy train is. Yes, Aisha. And Aisha just wants a toy. And it's been 20-30 minutes we are just roaming around. So Anshuman has gone to one place where he says that probably the train is from here. So let's see, it's very sunny today, so kids are a little tired. Yeah, we will see. Come. So yeah, fingers crossed. Hopefully we should get the toy train soon. And we still haven't got the toy train. It has now suddenly started raining, and Aisha has not even got her toy, so she's upset. Yes, Aisha? Look here and say.
And right now we are walking towards the boating area of Kolmar, and unfortunately we couldn't find the toy train. So now yeah, the kids want boating.
And we ate at this restaurant, Le Maharaja. It was bakwas. It was very bakwas.
It was yummy. I like the rice and the chicken.
Zoe liked the rice and chicken. We ate aloo chole, but it was pathetic. कैसा था खाना मम्मी?
बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं था.
ठीक है, बट थोड़ा देसी कुछ तो गया पेट में.
50 था.
And there is boat ride here down. Let me show you if you can see the boat coming there. But unfortunately all the boats are booked, and the next slot available is only at 4:15, and we have to catch return train at 4:25. So we are not doing it because kids are tired, I am tired. So we'll just click some photos and we'll go back home.
ऐसा है कि जैसे वो कहावत है, खुदा पहाड़ निकला चूहा, वैसे ही ये जगह है, कुछ है नहीं, सिर्फ धूप,
हवा।
बारिश, धूप बारिश और चलते रहो, चलते चलते वही देखते रहो।
Streets are good, architecture is good, but nothing else to do.
सच हमारा स्विट्जरलैंड है
Best.
बेस्ट। लोग भी हेल्पफुल हैं, लोग बताते भी, यहाँ तो पूछो तो भी नहीं बताते, जैसे कमीने लोग।
चेन्नई वाले लोगों की तरह।
रेस्टोरेंट भी है, सिर्फ 2 सब्जी रखते हैं, आलू मटर और पालक पनीर, वो भी सिर्फ नाम के लिए, वो भी नंदो।
पनीर आप बोले तो हम गए ना खाने क्योंकि टेस्ट नहीं था आपको इससे भी बिना बस का मालूम है।
हेलो।
Hello, we are going back to the station because we didn't get the toy train, neither did we do the boat ride. But kids got the toys. And we'll go home and have some chill beer.
And also we will play restaurant. Yeah.
ओके।
And yes, like.
Hi. Finally, we are here.
That's the station there. We finally walked and reached the station.
Goo gaga.
The train is at 4:23 from platform B. Now we have to figure out where is platform B. So let the hunt begin. Chalo, come, we'll search.
Take the dolly kiss. Mwah. Take the baby huggy. Okay. Like, let me make you feel.
And we got down at our home bus stop and walking to our home. It's almost 6 o'clock in the evening. Finally we are home and I've taken rahat bhari saas. I mean, it feels good to be back to Switzerland because I didn't like the vibe of France. People were not very welcoming, not friendly. We asked a few people about directions, but they preferred people talking only in French, so they kind of didn't entertain us because we were talking in English. So I kind of didn't like that.
So we are back home and I sent Anshuman and Dhananjay to grab some dinner so I could use this time to do some decor as it's Anshuman's 40th birthday tomorrow. So that's all for today's vlog and keep looking forward to next vlog on Anshuman's 40th birthday celebration. Bye bye.